What's up, guys? So I bought some sneakers from the GOAT app. We got an unboxing today, and these are some used sneakers that I purchased from the GOAT app. So we're gonna open these up. I do have the sneaker already, however, I have it dead stock. I never wore it, and I was able to pick up this sneaker on the GOAT app for a great price. I got a really good deal, so I still have the dead stock shoe. So what I can do is, and I'm probably gonna do, is sell the dead stock pair and keep this worn pair that I got for an absolute steal from the GOAT app. So this is a worn sneaker. Let's open these up. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment down below. All that does help the channel grow, so thank you guys so much for doing that. So I purchased this pair of sneakers from the GOAT app, from the used section of GOAT app. GOAT does sell brand new as well as used sneakers, so this was a pair of used sneakers. If you go on GOAT app and do new, they do have instant ship, which you'll get the pair very quickly because they're already instantly verified. They have them at their warehouse and they'll send them to you in usually I think it's like 2 or 3 days. You'll get them very quick, but you do pay a premium for that fast shipping. Or if you're buying a new pair of sneakers without the quick shipping or a used pair of sneakers, what happens is the seller has to send the shoe off to GOAT. GOAT verifies that it is 100% real, and they ship it off to you. So that process for this used pair of sneakers took about 10 days. It's only been about 10 days since they came. I got this package on Saturday. It did take about 10 days to get this package, which is really good with everything going on in the world. Hey, I'm not complaining at all. So with that being said, let's open these up. I've heard great things about GOAT. I did do a GOAT unboxing video, I want to say last week, a few days ago. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you guys check that out. It is also a banger. But I wanted to show you guys, I guess, some more used sneakers on GOAT. Because the used section of GOAT, man, you can find some really good deals, some really good steals, like I did. And I already have this sneaker, so I'll be selling my dead stock pair and keeping this worn pair and putting some extra money in my pocket, especially because I paid retail for the dead stock pair, and resale has just gone up on that dead stock pair. So I'm ecstatic. I'm very happy to purchase this worn pair, still my dead stock pair, and sell my dead stock pair for some money. And I copped that dead stock pair for retail, so look, these will wind up being almost free at the end of the day for me when everything's said and done. So let's take a look. We do have a size 10. I kind of wish I got a 10.5 or an 11, but I think I'll be fine with a size 10. This is a Air Jordan 3 box, in case you can't tell. We'll take a look. We do have the cement print paper. Ah, man, I love these. Classic, legendary, cannot go wrong, match everything. I'm happy as hell. We got the black cement 3s, but before we take a look at the black cements, sticker and tag everything in there in the box. So everything's here, showing that they were GOAT verified. And put the box down, we do have the Air Jordan 3 black cement. Woo! Fire, man. So nice. I absolutely love these. This does have the Nike Air on the back, 2018 pair. Let me take a look at the bottom. Most of the stars are there. Pretty much all the stars are there. These are really pretty good condition. Worn definitely a handful of times, but overall, very clean. Very clean. I mean, Nike Air is still there on the insole. I mean, these are clean, man. These are very clean. A little bit of creasing. Nothing too crazy. Let's take a look at the right shoe. Yeah, Nike Air is still on the insole. And I'm going to tell you guys what I paid for these after I grabbed my dead stock pair. So I do have my dead stock pair. I just opened up the drawer right there. Got my dead stock pair. And now we got a worn pair. So I can sell this dead stock pair for probably around $400 right now, which is just crazy. These have gone up crazy in price. So this is a size 11. Yeah, a size 11 dead stock. And I picked up a worn pair. So I paid $240 for this worn pair versus $400 dead stock. I mean, to me, it's a no-brainer. To me, it's a no-brainer. I'm gonna put $160, roughly $160 in my pocket after I sell the dead stock pair and still have the shoe and now wear it without a problem because this pair is worn and not have to undead stock the pair and instantly lose value. Instantly, as soon as I put them on, lose value on this dead stock pair. As soon as I put these on, I'm gonna lose, like, you know, $50 to $100 as soon as I put them on feet. This pair is already worn, so I have no problem wearing it, and I paid $240, which is basically a little over retail. Retail, I think, was $200 on them. So I'm happy. I'm very, very happy, guys. You can't go wrong. Check out the GOAT app. The truth about buying used shoes from GOAT is that you can honestly save money. You can save money, still get a really good deal, and get some fresh kicks, and not have to pay the crazy, resale prices for some of these must-have sneakers. Do I really want to pay? Who wants to pay $400 for a dead stock pair when you could pay, right around retail, a few bucks over retail for a lightly worn pair in great condition with OG everything? You know what I mean? Guys, check out GOAT app. This video is not sponsored. I just want to disclaim that. Make sure you guys check out GOAT. They are the real deal, and I'm very, very happy with my Black Cement 3 pickup. I forgot to show you, but they also come with the Nike Air hang tag. I just found it in the box. So they come with the paper. Everything is here with the shoes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. That does help out the channel so much. Also, make sure you guys drop a comment and let me know what you guys think about the GOAT app. Let me know your experience with the GOAT app. Have you had good experiences? Any bad experiences? Drop a comment down below and let me know. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.